Hey guys, I wanted to try out this yarn that I bought from Amazon. I made a crochet basket, and here's what I did. I used a G or 6 crochet hook. First I made a magic circle. To do this, wrap the end of the yarn over your fingers twice to form an X. With a crochet hook, go under the first strand and pull the second strand through it. Hold the loop in place with your finger. Then bring the yarn over to the front of the hook to wrap it and pull it through the loop created, creating a chain stitch. Untwist the yarn around the circle and you should have an adjustable loop. Next, make a single crochet. To do this, go through the circle, wrap your hook, and pull the yarn through the circle. Wrap your hook again and pull it through both loops. I made 6 single crochets for the first round. Pull the end of the yarn to tighten the circle. Next, make a slip stitch to close the round. To do this, go under the 2 strands from the first stitch, wrap your hook, and pull the yarn through all 3 loops. Make 1 chain stitch to start the next round. I used a bobby pin to mark the end of the round. For the second round, go under the first stitch and make a single crochet. Wrap the hook and pull the yarn through the 2 loops. Wrap your hook again and pull the yarn through the 2 loops. Go through the same stitch and make another single crochet. There should be 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Repeat this with the rest of the round. Remove the bobby pin to make a single crochet in the last stitch. Next, make a slip stitch to close the round. Again, go under the 2 strands of the first stitch, wrap the hook, and pull the yarn through all 3 loops. Then make a chain stitch to start the next round. For the third round, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Then go to the next stitch and make a single crochet. Repeat this pattern with the rest of the round. Remove the bobby pin to make a single crochet in the last stitch. Next, make a slip stitch to close the round. Then make a chain stitch to start the next round. For the fourth round, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Go to the next stitch and make a single crochet. Then go to the next stitch and make another single crochet. Repeat this pattern with the rest of the round. Remove the bobby pin to make a single crochet in the last stitch. This is the pattern for the 5th round. This is a pattern for the 6th round. This is the pattern for the 7th round. This is the pattern for the 8th round. You could make more rounds to increase the base of the basket. The next rounds are to add height. For the 9th round, make a single crochet in each stitch. I did this for 12 rounds. Add more rounds if you want a taller basket. I flipped the basket so that the side I was working on is on the outside. If you run out of yarn or want to add another color, add the new strand when you make the slip stitch to connect the round. To do this, go through the first stitch and wrap the hook around the new strand. Next, pull the new strand through all 3 loops. Then continue your pattern. I decided to make my basket one color. I made a slip stitch to close the round. Then I made 1 chain stitch. To finish the basket, I made a round of slip stitches. I brought my hook through the first stitch, wrapped it, and pulled the yarn through all 3 loops. I repeated this with each stitch. When you reach the end of the round, leave a little extra yarn before cutting it. Then pull the yarn completely through the loop. With a tapestry needle, I weave the end through the inside part of the basket and cut the extra yarn. The basket ended up being 5 inches by 3 inches. And here's how it turned out.